Okay, hopefully you're all adjusted in there and you can see me really well. Of course, my name is Kent. The channel is EOS San Diego. What I want to talk about a little bit tonight, actually I want to start off with the markets because they've been bouncing around a little bit between the, I think the $9,500 range on Bitcoin down to about the, I think it's all the way down to 8,500. And then EOS has been bouncing around between the $250 and $275 range. So hopefully $2.50, $2.75. So hopefully we're kind of seeing the range of which it's going to be trading, and it won't go any lower, and hopefully goes much, much higher. So that's what we're hoping for. So anyway, what I want to talk about tonight is I want to talk about the applications. Actually, what we call dApps, the decentralized applications running on the blockchain. Everybody talks about the dApps, the smart contracts. This is the great thing, the new innovation, the thing that's going to change the world, revolutionize the world, because now we're eliminating the use or the need of a third party, such as banks and other intermediaries that end up slowing down our financial system and costing a lot of money and not being consistent, with the way things are run. So hopefully, in the future, this will run a lot of our business and a lot of our lives. But how do you access them? Everybody talks about applications and dApps and all kinds of stuff, but it's running on a decentralized database. Literally, computers around the world running dedicated proof of stake, DPoS, or in the case of Ethereum and Bitcoin, running proof of work. But how do you, without running a node, for making or doing, actually building or interacting with the blockchain, how else do you interact with the blockchain? Simply to run an application like our application, like the challenge application. How do you do that? Well, most applications are run by an intermediary, usually MetaMask, which is also a wallet, and Scatter, which is I think it scatters with Ethereum and also with EOS. You have to use one of those, and maybe there's others, I'm not sure, but you have to use one of those to access the application, unless you can access the application through your phone, or through your phone by using the Google Play or using the iOS, the App Store. So this is what we've done with the challenge application. We've been able to utilize a very easy way to onboard people to applications running on the blockchain by using the iOS, the App Store, and the Google Play Store. And I think we're one of the few. I make this challenge on almost every video. If you know anybody running on iOS or running on the Android and also running on a blockchain, and it's all up and running and moving, it's not something that's in beta or something that's in test flight, please let me know, because we're one of the few applications of doing this, and this is helping people to onboard very easily. If you don't allow people to onboard easily, then it becomes very difficult for them to understand the application and use it, which is a huge friction point. So this is one of the things that we've been able to do. And when we originally launched our application, we required a private key, in order to do that, and that created a lot of tension for people because people did not want to give up their private keys. So we said, look, we'll go ahead and we'll support you and actually pay for the RAM and the CPU, so you don't have to take care of those things. You don't have to think about them, and we'll support you and run the application on a very easy, everybody understands and knows how to use the App Store and Google Play. We'll run it on that and make it very easily. Something that we've been innovative as far as being able to do. I think we're one of the few applications outside of Carmen, and I talk about this all the time, that have been able to do that. So if you're thinking about how to get on the blockchain, how to run on the blockchain, all you need to do is download the Challenge application. The Challenge, in fact, if you go to App Store or Google Play, it's just Challenge EOS. Easy way to onboard. And not only easy way to onboard, but an easy way to get involved with crypto. Most people don't even know how to get involved with crypto. They don't even know how to buy crypto. They don't know how to trade crypto. They don't even know about a wallet. They don't know about a private key. They don't know about custody. These are a lot of things that are keeping the market from really doing what it should do, because these are things that people just don't understand, especially people that are of my generation, people that don't understand technical stuff or understand the innovations that have taken place in the last 15, 20 years. They didn't get involved with, programming, or they didn't get involved with gaming or anything like that, so they don't understand these basic concepts. But anyway, if you want to get involved with crypto, and you want to have an easy way of getting involved with crypto and have a place to have crypto stored, you can do it straight from the App Store and straight from Google Play. It's very easy to do. We can do it with a challenge application, and that'll allow you to get an introduction into blockchain, an introduction, and own some crypto, be involved with the crypto without spending any money, $0, have an account, have a wallet, hold some crypto on the blockchain, and be involved with the blockchain, which would be a nice little starting point if you want to learn about crypto and you want to learn about the blockchain. Something that I believe nobody else is doing, and something that we innovated as far as being able to do this, because we wanted to be able to onboard a lot of people very, very easily. And you don't hear about this very often, because people talk about apps all day long, dApps all day long, but they never tell you how to access them, how to get involved with them. And it is a little bit of a process, especially if you have to go through something, a third party, which is Scatter or MetaMask or one of these others. It is a little bit difficult, because you got to enter a private key. Once you enter a private key, then you set up an account, and then you have to open that interface up, or that user interface, in order to get the user UX with using the application. So these are all things. We've made the interface, the front end, very, very easy with Challenge. The front end is very, very easily. It's just simply going into your if you're on Google, just simply going into the Google Play Store, and if you're on iOS, just simply going to the App Store. So this is a way to get involved with crypto very easily if you don't understand it, if you're in the basic level, and then follow it through Blocks.io, which is a block explorer. So once again, free crypto, and very, very, very easy to interact with. So that's something that we've made available, and we're very, very, very happy about it. And I'd like to see more people get involved and do it, because this is zero expense to you, and it gives you an opportunity to be involved with the crypto market, or the crypto space, and understand a little bit, kind of help progress you along the way to kind of get some idea of how this works and how these applications and these dApps work. The other thing I want to talk about briefly is I want to talk about Coinbase. I like Coinbase. I'm a fan of Coinbase. I hold crypto on Coinbase. One of the reasons why I hold crypto on Coinbase is because I want access to my crypto. I don't want it tied up. I know I don't get to vote because it's on Coinbase, because I can't stake it on Coinbase, but I still like to be able to have the flexibility of having it on Coinbase. But Coinbase is not a trading platform. It's not something where you buy it at 9,500 and you sell it when it drops to be 9,000 or 8,500, and you buy it back, watch it run back up, because you're going to get stuck in those transactions. It's like the old days of the .com, when they used to have the market would run up. It was easy to buy, but everybody was trying to bail and sell because the prices were going down, the trades weren't going through quite as quickly. So keep that in mind. If you're using Coinbase, Coinbase is probably not the best trading platform for selling in a down market. And there's other ways of probably doing that a little bit easier. But I do feel like Coinbase is a very safe option for you to hold your crypto. Like I say, I hold crypto on Coinbase. I hold crypto on a lot of other exchanges. I do hold a few crypto in my own private wallet. And of course, we have crypto in cold storage too. But there's a lot of ways to hold crypto, but I would say that Coinbase is a good place to do it, but not a good place to trade. I appreciate you watching. Thank you very much.